Case study: AI and Design Agency. Background: a design agency, let's call it DesignCo, specializes in creating user-centered designs for various clients. They have a team of designers who work on projects ranging from web and mobile app design to branding and marketing collateral. Challenge: DesignCo faced challenges in terms of efficiency and scalability. They wanted to streamline their design process, reduce repetitive tasks, and improve the quality of their designs. They also wanted to explore how AI could enhance their creativity and provide innovative solutions to their clients. Solution: DesignCo decided to integrate AI into their design workflow. They started by using AI-powered design tools that could automate repetitive tasks such as resizing images, generating color palettes, and suggesting layout options. This allowed their designers to focus more on the creative aspects of their work. They also used AI algorithms to analyze user data and generate insights for their design decisions. By leveraging AI, they were able to gain a deeper understanding of user behavior, preferences, and pain points. This data-driven approach helped them create more user-centric designs and improve the overall user experience. Furthermore, DesignCo explored the use of generative design with AI. They used AI algorithms to generate multiple design options based on specific criteria and constraints. This allowed them to quickly explore different design possibilities and present clients with a range of innovative solutions. Impact: the integration of AI into DesignCo's design process had several positive impacts. Increased efficiency: by automating repetitive tasks, designers were able to save time and focus on more strategic and creative aspects of their work. This led to increased productivity and faster project delivery. Improved design quality: AI-powered tools and data analysis helped designers make more informed design decisions. This resulted in designs that were more user-centric, visually appealing, and aligned with client objectives. Enhanced creativity: the use of generative design with AI sparked creativity and allowed designers to explore new design possibilities. This led to more innovative and unique solutions for their clients. Scalability: with AI, DesignCo was able to handle larger projects and scale their design services more effectively. The automation of certain tasks and the ability to generate multiple design options allowed them to take on more projects without compromising quality. Conclusion: by embracing AI in their design process, DesignCo was able to overcome challenges, improve efficiency, and deliver high-quality designs to their clients. The integration of AI not only enhanced their design capabilities but also allowed them to stay competitive in a rapidly evolving industry. This case study demonstrates how AI can be a valuable tool for designers, enabling them to work more efficiently, make data-driven decisions, and push the boundaries of creativity. It highlights the importance of embracing new technologies and continuously evolving to meet the changing needs of the design industry.